is a speaking test of International English Language Testing System taking place on 18th of September at Crave. The center number is 24550. The candidate is Bella Thusindias and the candidate number is 13532 and the examiner is Mustafizur Rahman and examiner number is CG001. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
What's your name, please?
My name is Balatishan Riaz. You can call me Riaz.
That's great. And what do you do? Do you work or study?
I am a student. I am studying on our second year with management subject at Bindaman Gov College.
Okay. And where are you from?
I am from Habiganj. Currently, I am living in Habiganj, Shodor.
Okay, Mr. Riaz, may I get your identification, please?
Here is it, sir. I used it for my registration.
Okay, that's great. Riaz Ahmed. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
In this first part of speaking test, I'm going to ask you some general question, which is related with giving gifts. When do people give gifts or presents in your country?
In my country, people give present in a special day, such as birthday, anniversary day, marriage day, etc.
Okay, that's great. Do you ever take a gift when you visit someone in their home?
Yes, if I go to someone's house in a special day, I take a gift for them.
Okay, that's great. And when did you last receive a gift?
Last I received gift on my birthday. It was 30th November 2023. I was received so many gifts from my friends and relatives.
Okay. Do you enjoy looking for gifts for people?
Yes, I enjoy because I believe that everyone has his own choice. So I prefer to looking for gifts that he or she want.
Move on newspaper. Do you like reading newspaper?
Yes, I like reading newspaper.
And what kinds of newspaper do you read?
I prefer to read newspaper in online based because I read it everywhere.
And when do you like to read newspaper?
I usually read newspaper when I get free times.
Okay, that's great. Thank you very much. Here is an introduce speaking part one. Let's move on speaking part two. And in speaking part two, I'm going to give you one. I'm going to give you a topic. You have 1 minute for thinking. Then you have to talk minimum 2 minutes. Here's your topic. Describe something you did that was new or exciting. And here's your pencil and paper. You can take note if you wish. And don't worry, I have a timer. I will tell you when your 1 minute note making time is up. Okay, time's up. Could you start speaking for 2 minutes, please? You can take it, no problem.
I did so many new things in my entire life. Among of them, I have a particular event that I did, and I clearly remember of this day with a date. It was the first day of my school life, and it was the 1st January of 2007. In this day, as soon as I woke up, my father told me that he will talk me in school, and I was so curious because I never go school before. In this morning, my mother prepared me, and I remember that I was wearing new clothes. After that, I went to school. I went to my school, and firstly, my father introduced me with my new teachers, and my class teachers completed all the procedures of admission. And after that, I went to my classroom. I was staying there around 4 hours, and I made so many new friends. I was playing with them. Some of my friends fought over the cricket ball, and my class teachers stopped them after seeing this. And I returned home at 1 p.m. I was so happy on this day. It is memorable day for me, and I never forget this day. And I don't want to forget this day because whenever I think of this day, I still feel joy.
Okay, that's great. Thank you. May I get my pencil and paper back, please? Okay. So, Mr. Riaz, we were talking about something you did that was new or exciting for you. You did very well. Let's move on to speaking part three. And in speaking part three, I'm going to ask you some questions which is related with part two. Okay. So, very first and foremost, do you think some people like doing new things?
I think genius and unique person want to try new things because they have so many ideas and they want to apply their ideas to do new things.
Okay, that's great. And what problems can people have when they try new activities for the first time?
If someone try to new activities for the first time, they will face so many problems. For example, if she or he want to learn bike ride, uh, she might fall off the bike, and she might even have an accident and it's end up in the hospital.
Do you think it's best to do new things on your own or with others?
I think doing new things with other person is always best because I believe that different person have different idea. If I work alone and I will face any problems, I don't solve this. And if I work with together and I face a little bit of problem, some person of my groups can help me by giving their ideas or physically. So I believe that doing new things with other person always better than alone.